President Maryam Abacha American University Group of Universities, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, has stressed the need for career building in banking industry, saying the practice of giving targets to bank staff is unethical. Professor Gwarzo made the remark on Monday when the chairman Chartered Institute of Bankers of Nigeria Kano branch, Aliyu Wadanas, paid him a courtesy visit in the university at Hotoro GRA. He said there is an urgent need for banks to give priority to career building in view of the fact that it's only through experience that career building could be possible. You cannot buy career with money. Career is something you build with experience. Experience is not something you go to the market and buy. You must learn it. You can come to the banking industry today, tomorrow you are a manager because you have connections or you have those that can sponsor the accounts. You know this is not the way it should be. You build a profession with ethics. He, however, called on the Central Bank of Nigeria to do something urgently by coming up with a law that would check the ugly trends so as to save the sector from total collapse. Professor Gwarzo, who doubles as the president of the Association of African Private Universities (AAPU, urged the CIBN to take the banking system into globalization, like in IT way of economy, IT way of administrations, as that is where the future belongs for the banking sector. He thanked the team for the visit and expressed the readiness of MAAUN to support the institute in its efforts to promote the banking sector in the country. Earlier in his address, the chairman CIBN Aliyu Wadanas said the institute has linkages with 45 universities and 22 polytechnics across the country, in addition to collaboration with highly reputable local and foreign institutions such as Association of International Certified Professional Accountants and Chartered Institute of Securities and Investment, among others. The CIBN chairman, who spoke at length on the operations of the institute, said it constructed and handed over 8 state-of-the-art lecture theaters to universities and polytechnics in the 6 geopolitical zones of this country. Wadanas, who commended Professor Gwarzo for establishing the university with state-of-the-art facility, said the institute is ready to partner with the university with a view to promote research and innovation. In his vote of thanks, the Vice President, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, thanked the team for the visit and expressed hope that the visit would yield fruitful results in the future. Top management staff that were present include the President of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, Vice Chancellor, Franco-British International University, Kaduna, Professor Abdullahi Muhammad Sabo, and Vice Chancellor, Northwest University, Sokoto, Professor Ahmed Maigari Ibrahim. Also in attendance were Director Academic Planning and Quality Assurance Dr. Noura Ayaru, Director Founder's Office Dr. Aliyu Merenga, Vice President Campus Life Dr. Hamza Garba, and Head of International Office Engineer Bashir Garba, among others.